The level of business complexity in today's global marketplace is challenging organizations to streamline business processes for efficiency. To fully realize the vision of product lifecycle management, it is necessary to move beyond design and manufacturing into the full through life cycle of the product. The through life support vision of PLM is becoming more critical as business models are changing to include full maintenance contracts or performance-based logistics. Unfortunately, traditional customer support processes like documentation, parts distribution, and service engineering have existed in silos of information outside PLM. The Cortona3D integration to Teamcenter provides the necessary tools to enable the control and management of customer support information and processes within Teamcenter. More importantly, this data and workflow is managed alongside the engineering change management process, linking product documents with their associated parts and assemblies. Cortona3D provides a mechanism to streamline today's mechanical publications and training processes through the dynamic authoring and update of content directly from the released design and engineering information. Cortona3D helps businesses simplify the authoring and illustration of required product support information. Whether it's operational or maintenance manuals, work instructions, job cards, illustrated parts catalogs, interactive computer-based training, or structured user feedback, Cortona3D Rapid Author provides a complete solution. Cortona3D is easy to deploy. The intuitive interface means users do not need 3D expertise to create interactive documentation, radically reducing effort and time. Users can not only visualize and interact with any part of the equipment, but also the process of assembly or disassembly, repair, and maintenance in 3D step by step. It is visual and interactive, so it's easy to understand and remember. Cortona3D supports delivery to new tablet platforms like Android and iPad, making complex product support information available to customers globally. Cortona3D customers include Boeing, the U.S. Army, the U.S. Postal Service, Pratt & Whitney, General Electric, Airbus, Mercury Marine, all of whom have reported accelerated time to market, massively reduced cost, and much more effective product communication than ever before. Cortona3D, through its partnership with Siemens PLM, is proud to support these companies.